Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is 2 to power x is equals to x to power 4, and we should solve this equation or this exponential equation for the value of x. In order to solve this question, first we should multiply in power 1 over 4 value. As a result, we should get 2 to power x into 1 over 4 is equals to x to power 4 into 1 over 4. Now this 4 and this 4 value will cancel out together. As a result, we should get new equation as 2 to power x over 4, because this x will multiply with this one value. As a result, we should get x over 4. And this 4 and this 4 will cancel out together. As a result, we should get x. Now in the next step, we should multiply in power 1 over x on the both sides of the equation. As a result, we should get 2 to power x over 4 into 1 over x is equal to 1 over x is equal to x to power 1 over x. Now this x value and this x value will cancel out together. As a result, we should get 2 to power 1 over 4 is equal to x to power 1 over x. Now we should make the value of this. Now our next step is we should make this base value and power value same. Or we should make the power value is same as the base value. For this purpose, we should multiply 4 and multiply and divide in power the value of 4. As a result, we should get 2 to power 4 over 4 into 1 over 4. And the other side of the equation x is to power 1 over x will remain same. Now, this 4 will apply on this 2 value, and this 4 will multiply with this power value. As a result, we should get 2 to power 4 into 1 over 4 into 4 and equal to x to power 1 over x will remain same. Now in the next step, 2 to power 4 can be written as 16, and when this 4 and 4 will multiply, we should get the value in power as 1 over 16 and equal to x to power 1 over x will remain same. Now from the basic rule of algebra, we get the value of x, which is x is equals to 16. So here we get the value of x, which is 16, for the expression 2 to power x is equals to x to power 4. Now in the next step, we should check the value, which is x is equal to 16 is true for this expression or not. For this purpose, we should replace the value of x in this equation from 16. As a result, we should get 2 to power 16 is equal to 16 is to power 4, because when we replace the value of x here with 16, and we should replace the value of x here with 16. As a result, we should get 2 to power 16 is equal to 16 is to power 4. Now in the next step, this 16 can be break into 4 into 4, and as a result, we should get 2 to power 4 into 4 and equal to 16 is to power 4 will remain same. Now this 2 to power 4 can be written as 16 and power 4 will remain same, and the other side of the equation 16 is to power will remain same, and you can see that the both sides of the value are equal, which is 16 is to power 4. It means that the value x is equal to 16 is true for this expression, which is 2 is to power x is equal to x is to power 4. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.